फौज एक इंडिपेंडेंट इदारा है या मातहत है हुकूमत के?
मातहत है अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
मातहत है ना, तो उसका सरबराह कौन होता है हुकूमत का?
प्रेसिडेंट।
प्रेसिडेंट सरबराह नहीं होता है, वो तो एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड है जो उसकी वो अख्तियारात बहुत ही कम हैं, वो तो सब एडवाइस पे चलता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर की। तो कौन होता है, किसकी मातहत होते हैं?
जाहिर है आइन के तहत होता है, फेडरल गवर्नमेंट के तहत होती है मातहत अंडर आर्टिकल 240।
भाई किसके मातहत होता है? भाई कौन अपॉइंट करता है लोगों को, किसके तहत मातहत होते हैं?
ये फेडरल गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करती है।
फेडरल गवर्नमेंट तो एक शख्स नहीं है ना जी। शख्स क्या, ओहदा क्या? कैबिनेट भी शख्स नहीं है।
कंसिस्ट अपॉन कैबिनेट कंसिस्ट अपॉन
नेचुरली प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज हेडिंग दैट कैबिनेट व्हिच अपॉइंट्स द।
ठीक है, अगर तो अब ये बातें हो रही हैं, या तो आप कहें कि जी ये लोग सब रोग थे, अपनी मर्जी कर रहे थे, कुछ और कर रहे थे, ठीक है, तो फिर जो बेनिफिशियरी की बात आप दूर कैसे रख सकते हैं? आप उनसे मशवरा क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि ये आप शायद इस पहलू को देखा नहीं। जब आप हमारे पास आएंगे फिर हम आइन और कानून पे चलेंगे, फिर ये नहीं होगा कि मुझे ये करके दे दें और मुझे वो करके दे दें, फिर हम आपको शायद पूरा करके दे देंगे। हामिद खान साहब
जी जी,
लाइफ इज नॉट सो इजी।
मैं इसमें एक बात थोड़ी
सलाउद्दीन साहब से पूछ लूं। सलाउद्दीन साहब आपकी क्या राय है इस मामले में?
My Lord, I certainly agree that if a process of inquiry starts and if certain facts emerge, then consequences must flow from that. But what I would request is, sir, that it be done step by step. Currently, the allegations, if
no, hang on, please stop here. Why should things be done step by step? They're interconnected. Either you should say they're not interconnected, they're completely independent. Mr. Shaukat Siddiqui suffered for some other reason. Maybe his attitude was not liked or his face was not liked. Bura na maniye. ठीक है, no, the specific allegation that has come before us is the manipulation that was being planned for the elections to keep certain people or certain parties out and to benefit somebody else. Now we should close our eyes to that aspect and only focus on where the petitioner wants to take us. Then that would be blinkered vision. I don't know if you can give us a satisfactory answer.
Not at all. That is not my submission, sir. What I'm saying is that the precise allegations thus far are that maneuvering was being done within the judiciary by certain military officers in order to remove one person from the elections. Now, there are...
Why are you shy on taking names?
Nawaz Sharif from elections and for convicting him. Now,
and if that is done, who benefits? Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed benefits or the Karachi Bar Association benefits?
My Lord, obviously Nawaz Sharif's opponents benefit, but if I can just...
No, don't tell us. Dekhiye na, then you are being used as a political tool. We will not allow. If you are interested in the constitution of Pakistan or the law of Pakistan, then you cannot say, it's not just a matter of the perquisites of a judge. I think Mr. Shaukat Siddiqui is bigger than that. It's more than that. If the Karachi Bar Association, which bar are you representing?
Karachi.
And if your interest is only limited to that and you are not going to go forward, then we will think that it will not be considered having come to court with clean hands.
My Lord, there are three possibilities, and that is why I was saying step by step. Three possibilities are that the attempt to remove Nawaz Sharif from the electoral process was born out of some personal animus or dislike by those officers. That is possibility one. The second possibility is that it was done in order to favor his opponent, remove him and clear the way for his opponent. In the second possibility, then there are two further possibilities. One is that it was done without the knowledge of the beneficiary. The other is that the beneficiary was colluding in that process. But these things are exactly the kind of things that will be determined after the inquiry that I have pleaded for.
So what do you think we are doing here, sitting here? What do you mean after the inquiry? Which is this after the inquiry? We are not a tribunal, we are the Supreme Court of Pakistan.
Yes.
Please explain what you mean by after the inquiry. Please explain that.
Inquiry could be undertaken by this bench itself, or your lordship could appoint a commission. But what I'm saying is,
No, hang on. Don't. Appoint a commission. We are asking you a simple question. What is the interest of the Islamabad Bar Association and Karachi Bar Association in the matter? Your only interest is to secure the pensionary benefits of a gentleman? Is that your entire interest in the matter? Please say so. If there is some other interest, tell us.
Not at all, sir. Our interest, and in fact our leading prayer is that if there is some judicial manipulation that has taken place, if those allegations are correct, then they have to be, the truth must out, and the guilty parties must also be punished for such actions. Now,
have you done any criminal case ever?
Yes, sir.
उसमें एफआईआर में क्या लिखते हैं? वजह अनाद, ठीक है ना? तो अब आप माशाल्लाह इसका भी जवाब दे दें। ये तो या तो कहें कि ठीक है आपका हमदर्दी है एक शख्स से है, फिर तो पता नहीं है 184 की जुमरे में आते आए बात या नहीं आती है। अगर आपके मकासद बड़े हैं या आपके मकासद छोटे हैं, आप कहें नहीं हम शख्सियात तक रुकना चाहते हैं और इनकी पेंशन का मसला बहुत बड़ा है पाकिस्तान के लिए, ठीक है, ये बहुत ही अहम मसला है, ठीक है, ये भी एक मौक़िफ़ हो सकता है। दूसरा मौक़िफ़ ये हो सकता है कि नहीं, हम वकील हैं, हम आइन की पासदारी और कानून की हुक्मरानी और जमहूरियत के साथ खड़े हुए हैं, तो फिर वो बात कीजिए। आप दोनों में से आप हमें ये ना बताएं हम क्या करेंगे, पहले ये करें फिर वो करें फिर फलां करें, हम ऐसे नहीं चलते हैं। आप हमें मदद